Oh, the connection.
Hello, everyone. It's our Friday, and here we are. So, today we're more people because, as you know, we decided that the whole team will be facing you every week. So, today we have more new faces. Theodore, we know him already from the previous ones. Say hi.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Yes. I hope everybody remembers me. You know, I was on lives before it was popular. So, but I'm happy to be back to you all. And here we have our Robert. Many people who are following us, especially following Biela and Teach Me Code together, they know Robert from Robert and Robot. So then we have Adam here. Adam is basically our business development guy, the guy who is trying to make Biela famous all around the place. So Adam,
Nice to be here. Hello.
Adam, you're usually more talkative, but we're gonna move to
Yeah.
that point.
I'm
Okay.
sure
So
it'll come up. Don't worry.
He's a bit shy today.
yeah, I know. He usually needs like 10 minutes, you know, this ice breaking 10 minutes. So, guys, I'm so excited today. Ask me why, please. Okay. So,
Why?
today we're going to touch a very, very uh, popular industry, and the industry is a real estate. Okay. Because why popular? Come on. I feel like every third person I know in my life is from real estate. So, and moreover, that's another industry that thinks that they don't need to really integrate AI or to know AI in order to close a deal. But we're here to prove them wrong. Theodore came up with a mind blowing idea. I personally love it. And I already told them that if this thing will be available, I'll be one of the first customers and users.
I'll make
Theodore,
sure to
are
send
you
it to
ready?
you when it's ready.
Yes, I swear this is great. When you showed me the project, I really liked it. So, drums on. Shall we share the
Take it
screen and
away.
Okay,
talk about the project?
here it is. So
Okay. So,
basically, I'm gonna make
tell us
this a
more.
little bit bigger, and hopefully, you guys can see, right?
Yes, yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
So this is a website where you will companies will list their real estate properties, basically.
Uh-huh.
And we have here a couple properties. These are just mock-up properties and estates. They're quite expensive, as you can see.
Typically
And the main
Dubai.
focus, excuse me,
Typically Dubai. They fit in perfectly here.
in just nice, yes. And these properties, the main feature of this website is basically whenever you're buying one of these properties, you would basically want to furnish it with your dream layout or your dream, I don't know, if you have like something special. Or if you want a taste of home, you just want to furnish it in that
Let's
way.
say I have a dining table from my grandmother for 18 people, okay? So
Exactly.
not every
That's a
guest
very big
can be
table.
accommodated. So before I even choose to go and see the place, I want to see if I can fit that table.
Exactly.
And
And
that's
that's the
where
whole
your
purpose of
brilliant
this website.
idea. Yes.
Exactly. And that's the
So
whole purpose of this website. Basically, you can just customize the layout of each room in these houses. And of course, this website isn't completely finished. It's nowhere near completely finished, actually. This
you
is a
killed it before we started. It's
why?
perfect. I am telling you from a perspective of a user. Now let me explain it in a language, like a simple language to the whole crowd. So
Okay.
imagine you're relocating. You have partially furniture that you already own, and you want to buy some new things, right? Uh, in your budget, let's say I will more go with, listen, one more thing. We need to add here the option for the rental houses as well, okay? Because rental
That's a
market
good
for the
idea.
rental houses, it's like very wide. And
We can
look
definitely
how
add that with
life
Biela.
gets simple. So you choose an apartment or a house or a penthouse, whatever your budget is, right? And then you want to see if the furniture that you already own will fit in there, or you want to decorate it before you even go and see it to see if it works for you, you know? It's
Exactly.
brilliant. I love it because I'm the type of a person, I'm really attached to the piece of furniture. So if it's something I like, I'm going to drag it with me all my life. And when I heard about it, it's like it's elevating the whole experience of picking rentals or buying the properties.
It's a dream come true, isn't it?
Love it. I'm telling you, like, even if this platform would be paid, I'm gonna pay to buy from here because it's, please show us. They have
Okay,
this.
so we just have to click this design the space button and we just pick the first option. And here we have, well, of course, as I said, this isn't completely finished, but we have here a selection of all the rooms in the house. And we can choose all the, basically the living room, the master bedroom. Hopefully this is visible, but I'm not too sure.
Yes, it is.
Uh,
It is.
okay, so we have here the bedroom, we have a master bathroom, and the kitchen. And of course, we can customize this more with Biela. But for now, and in here, in these spaces, in this box here, which is basically the room, we can click on any of these furnitures on the side, and we can place these inside of the house, inside of the room. And so let's do that right now. Let's pick this sectional sofa, and I'm
You
gonna
know, this
zoom
whole
in.
interface gives you the impression that you're an architect or like you're an interior design specialist. I love it.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. So
Actually, I'm
Or
gonna
even
make
if you
this.
don't know if will fit or not or whatever.
Yep.
one question I have. How do I know what's the size wall to wall?
Well, currently, you cannot know that because, as I said, this is a site that
Can we add
we
it?
just made. Yes, we can add it,
I mean, it's
but
Biela. You just need to ask.
exactly, we can just ask Biela
Okay,
about it, and
let's
it will
do
make
it.
it.
I
Okay,
So we
want
need the
to be
dimensions,
able to know
of
what's
the
the
room.
sign. Yes, yes. Wall to wall, what are the sizes?
so let's start off with making a prompt
Who was
for
that
Biela.
example with my grandmother's 18 table? Like, who was
We
she?
will
You
we will get
know,
to that.
when
We
did
will
she
get to
leave?
that soon.
18th century?
Let's set up the dimensions of the room so we know the size of the room. That way we can see the size of Ziba's 18-person table.
Yeah, like, you know, my grandma also had a ballroom.
She had that many people in her life. Wow, that's
No, no, no.
incredible.
That was just an example. I don't know why I exaggerated that much with the
No, it's
numbers.
okay. We can add that. We can add that to the
Listen, let's
room. Don't
put the
worry about it.
comments while BLA is working.
Okay, so first of all, let's
I
build a
want to
prompt.
have the comment sections
Let's
down.
put
So
the
whenever
prompt
they
in
write
now.
something
For
Look at the
cool,
example,
dimensions.
okay, it looks really cool. I'd love to be able to add windows and doors in the room so I know exactly. Another point. Oh, look, she gave me a great idea. So basically, is it possible to be able to replace the windows? This way, you can also understand which wall
The
is, I
lighting.
don't
You
know,
can see the
fundamental.
lighting
Huh?
and even the feng shui and the lighting in the room.
You know, we're gonna check all this. I'm gonna create a room for Adam.
You know how we can
Basically-
create a room? We can view
I
all
mean-
of these rooms by just going to the content studio and we can check that out. Like we can see how it would look in person or in 3D. This is an architectural
Yeah,
view.
so
building.
right now, because it's not completed project, we're gonna be jumping between the projects, right? But
Exactly, but
this is something that we're working on developing more. So once you do the 3D layout, you will be able also to get the rendered version of it, you know?
yeah, and I just want to remind people that this is all completely made in Biela. This was made, it was just an idea that I had like a couple days ago. And I didn't start it until like a couple days ago, like 2 days ago, I think.
Days ago, yeah? Days,
And
not years.
Yeah, not years, not anything like
Not,
that.
yeah,
Nowhere
yeah.
near
Mr. Theo,
close to
this
that.
was done. This was done with simple prompting, asking it to create something that you
Wait,
had an
we have
idea
a
for.
nice question. I love users that are challenging us. Put it, Robert.
Yes.
So there is a question that can you work with the actual floor plans of the property? That was the exact same question that I asked you. So please now answer.
Should I answer or should Robert
Ye-
answer?
Robert, you were
Um,
promising to be more active, by the way. What happened?
yes, I'm a bit shy, but I will be more active. I promise from now.
Don't worry, if you want, I can answer for you.
Okay, yalla, answer one of you.
Okay, so first of all, Biela finished. That was very quick, by the way. And just to answer your question, yes, we plan to add that as well. That was a very good feature that you came up with like a few hours ago. And we plan to implement it by using the Nano Banana AI that Google released like a couple of weeks ago. And what we plan to do is basically implement a button where once you go into your designed space here, designed living room. Oh, actually, once on this website, on this like on the front page here, we can add a button, and this button you can upload your floor plan. It would create like uh, like an architectural drawing of your house, and there you can definitely design your own furnishings and add your own furnishings.
So basically,
So
it's going
yes,
to be similar as with the images that we upload to the content studio. The concept will be similar. You
exactly.
upload
It's
it
going to use the
there,
same
then
AI. Yeah.
yes, okay. And when this is because you don't understand. I believe people ask questions because they would have used it as well. This is an awesome tool, and I think every single real estate platform should get it. I
Yeah.
love it. It's very convenient.
So
So what
we
we
just
have now, you've designed it now with the dimensions, right? You put in the prompt and
exactly
asked it now to give us the room we have with dimensions in the room, correct?
Show us.
exactly that's what I did. So hopefully it's visible enough. If not, I'm just going to make
Yes,
this
it
full
does.
screen. So here we have the dimensions. Obviously, we can modify this a little bit so that it fits in more better. And because currently it seems like this top bar here is a little bit tall. We're gonna fix that real soon. But as you can see, from a simple prompt like we did, we have here the dimensions of the room as well as the doors, the door amounts, the amount of doors in the room, and the window amounts. So as you can see, and it made it for all of the rooms in the house. So that's
Okay.
very cool.
So
And also,
you have to click. You have to click on the wall in order for the dimensions to appear there, right?
actually, no, it's right here. It's
But
displayed here for the room. But
all right,
indeed, yeah, we can add that feature. Currently,
yeah,
it's
that
not.
would
It
be
Biela,
didn't.
cool.
yes, add it to
I
the
would
wall
like to
itself.
have it because,
Okay,
like this, when you position the furniture, it can also tell you what's the size against the actual wall size.
that's a very good idea. I actually didn't ask Biela to do that, so that's why I didn't really know what to do. But that's a very good feature. We can add that and see what happens
And
once we
while
do
Biela
this.
will be doing some magic, we'll go through the comment sections as well. Let's see.
There is a question for Theodore. How many hours per day you worked on this? I don't
I'm
think
gonna
that's
be honest. I
right.
just work like 1 or 2 hours. That's it.
Incredible.
That's it. This is the
Going back
state
to
of the
this,
website.
okay,
Just how.
everybody ask how many hours you work on it, or like, like for example, yeah, I know a lot of people. Whenever we speak about Biela, we talk about the solutions it can create and how many people can benefit from using it. They tell me that, what would you do in our section? Like for example, I'm in real estate. How can you use it? How it can help me? Everybody always think about things that already exist, so they think that why would I create, let's say, CRM with Biela if there is like other CRM that we're already using, or like I cannot do the proposals with Biela because we have a certain template that is approved. Like I feel like it's not the Biela's fault that people are limited in terms of how to develop more or like expand the borders and find the solutions, you know, because for those people who think out of box, and like for instance, even if biela did not exist, to have an idea that how it would be cool when you rent an apartment or you place an apartment for sale, you can go and have a function of seeing the whole space and being able to design it. You don't really need biela to come up with this idea, but when you have an idea like that and then you have a tool like a biela under your hand, like this two just work perfectly.
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
guys, it's all about limitations. Be creative.
Look, for me, Biela is a wonderful tool that can be used by anybody. So if you're working on, imagine those presentations you have to make daily, weekly. Why would you make them in the old style PowerPoint? Why be back in the 80s when you have a tool that creates basically a website presentation? It allows you to see everything as it was as a website rather than as a PowerPoint with click and go. It's very impressive. It's a powerful tool, and it can create in minutes what you used to be able to take hours to do. So for
You
me,
just need some
I use it
ideas.
every day. Yes, I use it every day. I use it every day just for simple things like that. Every time I speak with anybody I need to speak with, I need to give them some sort of
But also,
presentation.
guys, it's not as
It's done.
hard because look, we're prompting in front of your eyes. Like whatever we say to each other, we're just saying the
Yes,
same thing to Biella. Like it's not a
and it
different
thinks.
language. It's not a rocket science. Like
Oh, speaking of languages, we nowadays, if you, let's say you don't know English very well, it's not your main language or your first language or your native language, then you can just check the button here and pick any of the languages that you know best. So we have a lot of them to pick from, and it will actually understand whatever you're saying in the chat box here using the language, your preferred language. So yeah, so language is no longer a limitation for BL as well
at
nowadays.
all. If you know
Nor
how
is
to
typing, by the
you know
way. Nor is typing.
listen, not even the typing,
Not
exactly.
even
With
typing.
that
Yeah.
live assistance, like even if your both hands are like, you know, behind your back, like you don't have limitations. I swear to God, I feel like our developers soon will come up with the option where Biela can read your face expression. So you don't need to type or you don't need to speak, you know, just blink.
Sounds like
Definitely.
a
I
good
Yeah,
don't
come
want
feature
to.
on. I
to.
I don't
love
want
how like our team is like, you know, let's add this, let's add that. It's like it's amazing.
It's always growing in
Yeah,
features. It's
yeah,
very nice.
exactly. It's like a fun game, you know. The more you work on it, the more perfect it gets.
I mean, that just shows how interested developers are in developing Biela, right? Because if our team, like if the developers didn't want to implement all of these features, then I mean, it would be just like half made. It wouldn't be that good. It wouldn't be
Of
such a good
course,
tool.
no, the way it works,
So
I swear to God, it's amazing.
exactly, like
I'm having a lot of fun that way.
our
We also
developers are
get a
just
lot
very
of
nice.
input as users. We get a lot of input that way. We sometimes make suggestions because I know I myself am not a coder, nor am I a developer. I'm just a user, and sometimes I'll say to the guys, you know, can't we make it do this and can't we make it do that? And it's very simple for them to do that because it's what, a few clicks of the mouse, a few clicks on the keypad, right, Theodore?
Exactly.
You just
Yep.
ask it to do something that I've asked you to ask it. And basically, at the end of the day, I could have asked it to do that.
Indeed.
Okay,
So
let's move to the comment section. I see here like we have some nice comments, and okay. I think you guys are on the right track, but actual floor plans from the properties is a must. I completely agree with you
Yes.
here because that's going to make the whole experience completely different. Remember that not all rooms are square, and if you're in high rise, you might even have a post to deal with. I
yes,
completely agree with that, and that function would be like a life change for
that will
everyone.
be coming to this web app. So stick around, guys, and we will definitely implement that.
Exactly, because also, for example, for the apartments that are not necessarily listed on this platform, people can upload their layouts and still benefit from it. But the
Exactly.
idea overall, it's fantastic. I love it. Well done.
Okay. So just wanted to say that Biela did implement the size of the rooms.
Dimensions. Yeah,
here.
we have
Yep,
dimensions now.
Yep, on the
Okay.
sides, and hopefully we have them. Yes, we do. We have them here for the furniture
Nice.
as well. 3 meters by 2 meters, and of
Okay,
course this is the
perfect.
3-meter part, and this is 2 meters. So
And we
now,
also have them.
How about we let our viewers right now to help us to design the room? Let them tell us what to put. What is it? What are we designing? Living room. Remove
yes,
that
this
sofa. Okay,
I did.
let's be creative, and then we're gonna ask Biela to give us the actual image of how it's gonna look. All right, like
Perfect.
maybe we don't want to have a sofa. I want to have a swimming pool. Like, let's be
We can
creative.
definitely
Not
add that.
on
We
a
have
highway.
Let's
we have
see.
a. I mean, we can have a jacuzzi. In
Okay,
high-rise,
what do
right?
we have in terms of the?
The furnitures. So we currently have a limited amount of furnitures, but we can definitely add more to this list.
We add things that aren't on the list, Theo.
Exactly.
Okay,
So
let's
if
add.
you guys
But
have
when
any
we move to
ideas,
Biela, can we play with Biela and then add extra things?
okay, sure.
Yes.
So,
Okay, cool.
but I just wanted to say that if you guys have any ideas, leave them down in the comments, and we're gonna add them as the furniture here. So, let's say
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want a jacuzzi, we can add it to the list.
Let's add a
So-
jacuzzi. I'd like a jacuzzi. I mean, after a hard day's work, who doesn't want a jacuzzi? Add one in there, Theo. Put us a
Sure.
jacuzzi.
Okay, let's ask Bill to create a jacuzzi furniture.
Wait, aren't we creating a room for Adam?
Oh,
Adam
After
needs a
this, we can
jacuzzi.
create.
Wait. Yes. Adam, wait. Adam is gonna create his room how he would want to have his room. And then us, with all our viewers right now, we're gonna add like our signatures to Adam's room, okay? Yalla, Adam. You
Adam
start.
needs to start. Look, Adam
I will
starts
let
with a
you lead
jacuzzi.
it right now.
Start with a jacuzzi and a fridge, and have the fridge next to the jacuzzi. You can decide what goes in the fridge.
It's Adam's room.
no, you have to decide what goes in the fridge. It's your room.
Anybody
what do
that
you
knows
want?
Adam knows what Adam keeps in the fridge.
Call me
Tell
close.
us. Tell us, what do you keep in the fridge?
Something refreshing
It's
after a
Adam's
long day. Let's
fridge.
just keep it at that. Something tall, cool, and
Oh,
refreshing.
look, this one. It's very nice. I
Maybe-
did it. I
Uh-huh.
love it. Can we try to recreate Van Gogh room? Let's try it after.
Nice. Yes.
I like it. After
Never
Adam's
mind Adam. Van Gogh is far more interesting.
Okay, but let's try Adam first of all because it's closer. We can.
I don't think Van Gogh had a L-shaped sofa in his room because we have limited. That's the thing. Now we're gonna put like some basics of
Exactly.
what usually the three shapes
I
are.
also want
and
to
then we're gonna
show
move
the
to our
people.
content studio and fun time.
I also
I
want
have
to
a
show
nice
the people
idea.
the
When we go
content.
to the content, I will tell you what it's going to be.
But
Have we
listen,
added?
think out
Have
of
we added
box.
my jacuzzi?
Yes, you have
There
a
we go.
jacuzzi. You want it in the no, he didn't want it in the center. He wanted it
In
he
the
wanted
corner,
it on the
away
side.
from the windows. Away from the windows.
So here,
Okay. It's
Oh,
right in
nice.
front of the window.
well, I mean the
Down
windows.
below the window.
I mean, you chose it, Adam.
Yes.
You can have
It's
some.
all right. We'll
Some
put some
curtains.
curtains
Just
in.
for
It's okay.
privacy. We will put curtains.
Also, you
Yes.
asked for a fridge, right? Let's add.
Yes,
a
he
fridge
wants
as
a
well.
fridge.
I want the fridge, and I don't want to get out of the jacuzzi. So I want the fridge next to the jacuzzi.
Right now, guys, you are basically watching us benefiting from such platform. What about the view, Adam? We have comments. Maybe we keep the comment section open all the time. I think it's cool. People are having fun.
You know,
Burj Khalifa view. Where is your room is located?
it has to be downtown. If I'm having a Burj Khalifa view, I agree.
You can keep it, Robert, so it doesn't disappear, the comments?
I will try. If not, I will do it manually. No worries.
Yeah, okay.
I will follow them.
You guys talked about the.
Wait,
Van
I
Gogh room.
really want all this. Go start from up, start from the old ones.
Wait a
From
minute.
which
We're
one?
not.
do you
We're
want?
Wait,
not putting
after
Adam's
the
jacuzzi
Van
in the
Gogh
window.
from this.
So wait, we have people think, I feel like Adam deserves the jacuzzi. I agree, and Adam is getting a jacuzzi in his living
I
room.
agree. Thank
Okay,
you.
next one. Adam is more Adam. You have fans here, 100%.
Van Gogh and I have that same little look. His is red, mine is not.
What about the view, Adam? What view you want? But that we can decide. That's
Look,
Biela does not interfere with
look,
your budget.
We'll take a Burj Khalifa view, but it doesn't necessarily have to be from the jacuzzi.
Your jacuzzi. Corner unit, high floor, MR Grant.
Perfect. Somebody knows Adam very well.
I think it's Adam from a fake profile writing, you know, the
What else, Adam? What else should we add?
When I grow up, I want to be like Adam, have my own jacuzzi and website on BL. Yes. Adam,
Now I'm living the
hype you
dream,
up
right?
enough,
I'm
let's
living the
design
dream.
your room, okay?
Look, Theo, we need a big bed.
A big bed. I think
It's a
we already
living
have
room,
that.
Adam. It's a
King-size
living
bed.
room.
Z by 6 living
Like
room.
Adam's
Let's
room.
do
I'm sorry. I
this
know I'm
living
being
room.
judgmental.
Where do you want to place it? Do you want to just get out of the jacuzzi and jump into the bed right away?
No, I need my jacuzzi off to the bed away from the jacuzzi. I want some place where I can come home from work after a long day, sit in the jacuzzi, have a few refreshments, and then take a nap in bed. So it'll be
basically,
someplace quiet.
based on the track of events, you want jacuzzi, fridge, and then lay down. So the bed has to be after the fridge, you know? That's the next station.
Exactly where it is. Exactly where it is. You can see.
Let's add a nightstand as
Adam,
well.
you need a bedroom for a bed. No,
I agree.
listen,
Why is my bedroom in the
we
living
can't
room? Why
judge
is
him.
my bed in the living room?
You wanted it. I told you.
You
it's
wanted
the living
it.
room.
We told you this was the
I
living
think
room.
we should take my bed out of the living room, but I want it within walking distance of the fridge.
No, let's just make a room for now. Let's make one
Okay,
room and then
so
feed it into the.
Let's take
BLA
my bed
contest.
out of the living room and let's give me a nice sectional and a place for a big TV.
Okay. So you want a
You're
couch? You
on
said? Or?
Airbnb link.
Yes, I like
No.
the L-shaped couch.
Okay, perfect. And how should we? I mean, I'm gonna rotate it like this, but
I
if
mean,
you want, we can add it.
yes,
another way.
let's not cover the windows so everybody has a full visibility of Adam's life.
Full view of Adam.
Adam in the jacuzzi.
But look,
okay.
if I put the TV there, I don't want the glare from the window on the TV, right?
But listen, why did you keep that much space between this shape of the sofa and the wall? Like, what are you gonna put there? Oh, wait, let's actually keep it as it is. We're moving later on to the content studio when the fun starts.
Definitely, yeah. We can modify in the content studio. No worries about that.
Put the sofa right
Guys, I
flush
want
against
you
the
to
wall.
keep all your insane
Against
ideas
the
for the
wall.
period when we go to the content studio, okay? Like, really, let's create something cool.
And you said a
This is cool.
TV. Let's see if we have a TV, but I don't think so. Actually, no, we have a computer desk. We can definitely add a TV.
Let's add a computer desk. I mean, how he's gonna be
Yes. Easier.
attracting.
Okay then.
Developers? No, we don't need a computer desk.
We
Let's
don't
get
need
me a
developers.
TV.
I love a good computer desk and a computer right next to the window. I mean, you
You
can
just
have a
close
very
the window, yeah? You're aware of it?
I mean, I know about that,
You
but you
blocked
can
it.
have a.
No,
Okay
but
then.
Adam,
window
do you like
like-
sunshine or you're more like of a night person?
I'm definitely a day person. I'm up early. I like to work when it's
So
bright.
let's keep his windows like, you know,
Okay.
let's not block the sunlight.
Where should we put it? Maybe in here? Maybe on this wall here if we're
What
rotating?
is that? I think we should
Yeah,
rotate it
somewhere.
like this.
On the right,
Yes.
I think is good. Yes.
Yes,
Here.
I think
Yes,
yes,
yeah,
there's
that's
nice.
perfect. But I
Awesome.
feel
But
like
we-
half of the furniture is outside.
Adam, you don't want something in the middle of the room because it's so empty, no?
I think he wants, but we don't have it on the list.
Maybe a rug. We can add a rug. Are you a rug
Rug
person?
will get wet after jacuzzi.
Put
Table
a
or
towel on the
something?
floor.
We don't have a table. Let's place a table.
Yes, we do have a table. We have a rectangular dining table here.
We can put my grandmother's table there.
Yeah,
Move it closer to the couch so I can use it as a TV stand. Not a TV stand, but like a coffee table, yeah? Is this a coffee table or is this a
Dining
full-size
table.
table?
Well, I mean, it's a dining table. Let me see if we have a smaller one.
And I'm gonna need a taller couch.
We have a side table. We can use that.
Let's use that.
Oh, it's quite big. We can make it smaller.
Make it
Okay,
little
yeah,
bit.
all
Yeah,
right.
that's
That's right. That's where you want it. Exactly.
Can we make
Exactly.
sofa a little bit bigger? Like I feel like it has this awkward,
Exactly.
weird small size.
Exactly. Okay. We can definitely tweak these out a little bit
But we
later.
don't need to make it wider. We can make it longer. No?
Indeed,
I
yes, we
don't
can
think.
select this.
Yeah. Ah,
Yes.
nice.
Very nice.
All right,
This
good.
size of
That's
sofa
nice.
is pretty much satisfying. And little bit bigger coffee table.
And basically, I have a racetrack
Like
in the
this.
rest of the room. What are we gonna do with the rest of the room, guys? I need help.
Wait.
You
But
can
in
build
content,
a.
well, let's put a rug.
I think Lego makes a very big Burj Khalifa building here.
No, he
We
wants
can-
the view from the window, not from jacuzzi.
Okay. What should we put there? What did you guys say?
Adam, you have a stalker. Can we go to the comments? Adam, at least 6 feet needs a bigger sofa.
I love that my stalker thinks I'm that tall.
I just put more couches so I can invite people over. No, Madalena, it's Adam's room. He said he wants to come from work and get into a jacuzzi. I assume he wants to do it alone.
You would assume wrong.
Okay,
But we
so
do.
Adam,
Look, we do want something in that room. I do like the way it's set up right now. It's perfect, but I have that big empty space. What do we do there?
I know what to put there, but we need a content studio for that. If you're ready, let's move.
What is it? I mean, we could add a Christmas tree there, right? Isn't it the season for that? I don't know. What do you
Absolutely,
think?
I would
We
love
have
one.
an offer here. Maybe place for books, like Madalena, jacuzzi, fridge, big
Can
sofa.
be.
Does this man sound like he likes to read to you?
Hey, he
Can be,
loves
I
to
saw
read, by
that.
the way. Adam's extremely intelligent.
Maybe we
No
should have
one is
added a.
questioning your intelligence, but
Maybe we should have added a sauna instead of a jacuzzi.
like we forced them to put a computer
No, no,
table,
no.
just for your info, yeah? I think it's enough. You don't
Okay,
want to
let's-
overcrowd it.
Okay then. So I'm gonna.
True.
What I'm gonna
Yes.
do.
What if I have
Put
more
one
guests?
more couch
It's
for this
true.
guy, please.
Yes, we'll have guests over. Definitely. Adam's definitely an
Let's
entertainer.
continue the couch.
What do you mean?
Let's wait. Where is it on the side door?
So these are the doors here, the yellow ones.
Can
And
we
this is the
remove
couch.
one door? Why does it have two doors? Like, have you seen a room with two doors?
Yes, they are wagon style
Room.
rooms. Or
Goes from the
apartments.
living room to the kitchen, for example.
Exactly, yeah. There are some apartments with that style.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's a living room. I forgot.
Yes.
Indeed.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's add more couch for this guy, please.
Yes. One more couch, and I'd want a Christmas tree.
You will not.
Christmas tree.
you
We're
don't need
gonna
a-
add that.
No,
in.
let's put that couch. No. Maybe we put two armchairs.
Yes.
Right?
One on
Better.
either.
Oh yes, nice.
Here?
No,
No?
because
Here?
then you can't see the person as they're speaking to you. Yes, one there and maybe one up just near the
But it's an
door.
armchair. You can rotate it every time.
There, yes.
Like this.
Yes, and one more on the other side.
On the
Here.
other side puts it in the doorway, though.
Like at Teach Me Code Institute.
I swear it looks like a yeah. Enough. I think it's enough.
You guys have jacuzzi there?
No.
I'm
No.
working on that. I'm
But
working on that.
I feel like Adam is gonna install one soon.
Working on it. If this
All
comes
right.
out right, Theo,
Okay.
that'll be the blueprint.
Okay, listen, Theodore, tell me one thing
Yes.
now. This is all cool, but I want to see how it looks in reality. What's our next step before
Our
you
next step,
automate the
so-
whole process?
Indeed. Okay, so our next step would be to export this and it would download. Currently, we don't have a backend solution for this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot, a simple screenshot of this, and we're going to feed it into the Content Studio. And what that's going to do is going to allow us to see this in like a more 3D view from above, if we tell it to. So let's go ahead and I'll take a screenshot of this real quick. Also, we're going to implement the export feature soon, so don't you guys worry about that.
Can I shoot you with questions while you do that?
Exactly, yes, you can.
I have this since childhood. Whenever someone talks, I already build a set of questions that I'm gonna ask. So basically, my question is it gonna respect the measurements of the room when it will create the rendered file, or?
Yes, it will. Yes, it will, because we're gonna tell it
How?
to.
Does it already have the measurements? Because it's, wait.
Basically,
does
is
have
it going to
the
be
size
relative in
mentioned
size?
there,
Will it be relative in size and dimensions?
Okay, it has already sizes mentioned there, so Biela will see it and respect that. That's
Indeed,
it.
yes.
we understand it already.
If I can find the picture, where is it? Oh, here, I found it. Okay, so what I did was I just clicked on this plus button and I added my picture from my desktop. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna select the aspect ratio because we took a more rectangular screenshot. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask it to please match the exact sizes in the image and the layout and
Relative
create
to the size of the room.
indeed and the layout relative to the size of the room and create a 3D top-down view of a furnished.
And also we have to say that in the corner it's a jacuzzi. Maybe it will not know. And
Exactly.
Also it's not
Okay.
a bathroom because we want a jacuzzi in the living room.
In the corner, in the down right corner, there's a jacuzzi with a fridge next to it. On the left corner, we have an L-shaped, let me write that, shaped couch with a coffee table.
You have to also explain to Biela.
No, I don't. I don't have to. I just
Then
have to.
I want to challenge
Look,
Biela.
Okay, then,
like
sure.
any sort of AI, the more data you give it, the better it's going to
I
be.
understand, but I'm a fan of simple
Being
steps.
vague. Basically.
Less is more. Less
Plus,
is more.
I'm a voice of all the people here. Okay, so I'm talking on behalf of them. I'm challenging you guys.
Look this one.
Okay.
No, sorry.
Now we're just gonna wait
80s
for it to
vibes.
generate.
Excuse me.
Yes, why not?
No, guys. Okay. Oh, look, you see, without anything,
it.
Biela understood what you want.
But we should
What is the
modify.
small? Can we ask Biela to make the? Listen. Now let's start. Ask to make jacuzzi.
There's two
Pink
issues
color.
here, though.
With the pink
couch.
light.
This
Yes,
couch.
yes,
Can we do that?
there are two issues, by the way.
What's the issues?
So the fridge isn't
What is
placed
the
correctly. It should be
table?
here, and the
It's
couch
next to the
should be here.
It's next to the jacuzzi.
But why it did that? Can you ask? Can you ask Biela what's the difference between the image it gave you and the prompt that you and the one that you have uploaded?
Well, no, I
Maybe
can't
Biela
ask
can
it that,
analyze.
but I can ask it to
Technically,
fix it.
nothing's wrong. In the sense with the jacuzzi in the fridge, because we said jacuzzi fridge next to jacuzzi.
Yeah, but
So
we
Biela
manually
did what we
put the
told it.
fridge in a different place.
Yes, but it did respect some of the features. But we can definitely fix that by asking it to move the fridge down
Guys,
here.
human factor doesn't work here. It's an AI. It has to be perfect.
But doesn't
Based
matter. Now
on
we
the
can
data
add
we
furniture without adding the blueprint, right?
Okay, just tell it to move the fridge. We will
example,
forgive
this.
Biela for the first time. Wine fridge next to the jacuzzi, please. George wants a wine fridge. Who are we to say no? We get the wine fridge. Yes,
George,
perfect.
get Adam.
Let all users to tell us what to add here. Let's get insane.
Where is the TV? Where is the dog?
Where is the dog?
Adam is not a big fan of dogs.
Okay.
Are you more of
You
a
want
cat
a
person?
cat? What's your favorite animal, Adam?
Look, I would like to have any animal that I can leave home all day without destroying my apartment.
A snail.
Fish.
A snake.
A fish.
A snake.
Turtle.
Ah, how about a nice fish tank? Really, that's a nice idea. A big giant
Listen,
fish
make
tank.
for him a fish tank like in Atlantis. Can we just completely make a fish tank instead of
Let's.
windows?
Okay,
I
let
think
me
let's
show you
remove. Oh,
guys.
that's nice. I wanted to say to remove just one window, but let's remove it all and make a.
All windows and make
All
a
of them.
full
No,
wall
no.
aquarium.
I'm not sitting in the dark. I'm not sitting in the
No.
dark. The wall where the fridge
who
was.
told you? Listen to me, Adam. You designed your room. You chose the basic things, correct? I told you this day is coming. Now it's our time to design a room for you, okay? But all of us, we're gonna pick one item from each user. Let's start.
I know what you're going to do. You're going to put cells on the windows.
You never know. You're gonna see the result at the end. So
I just wanted to
okay.
mention that Biela did successfully create the image that we
Yes.
wanted by moving the fridge from up here to down here on the left side, and also remove the middle couch here. So if
But-
there's some mistakes, some small mistakes, you can definitely fix
Yes,
those
we can.
real quick.
But again, this
Also,
is
there
just,
is another one. There is
you,
missing.
you won't have to do this because it will be able to give you the image
Indeed.
by itself without you uploading and taking screenshots. So this is just
Look,
a
this
beta
one.
version. Definitely a horse. My grandpa had one and he couldn't do it.
He put him in the
Adam,
living room.
what's your favorite animal? Tell us. That's the only thing I let you choose. You said aquarium, okay?
I would
So-
like a big aquarium, definitely.
Okay,
Okay,
wall
let's
to wall
make an
aquarium.
aquarium first, and then we place the horse.
Where do you want it placed?
Wall to
Well, we can
wall
put it-
instead of windows.
Just
Oh.
remove one window and place it
Behind
there.
jacuzzi and the how you call it? And
Yes. Near the
behind
jacuzzi or behind the jacuzzi, on the wall behind the jacuzzi, we move the jacuzzi a little bit and put the fish behind me.
Okay. So
he wants to be a mermaid. What can you do?
A merman.
Merman. There is a merman.
Mer butler. more
Merman.
like. Please place
Yeah,
a
and review
floor
is
to
Burj
ceiling.
Khalifa, guys. Stop talking.
not
Go to the
super, it's
comments,
not-
Robert. I want to see comments on the screen. I like how our viewers today, they're engaged. If you add a horse, at least name it Juan.
I'll
And it
have
should
one
a-
horse,
should
that's
have a-
why.
It should have a hat, you know?
How are you gonna take it outside?
It's gonna live inside the living room. I mean,
Oh, it's an
everything here looks okay to you. Just the horse
What's
is
wrong
not
with
normal.
taking it down for a walk? Take it down the elevator and go for a walk.
Yes. Okay. And right after that, he had to chill on the couch and watch some TV.
Whoa.
Oh,
I
no.
like this.
What did he do? No, not like that.
Yes. No.
Oh my
It
God.
needs-
Let's do aquarium floor. What do you think? Instead of a wall or a ceiling.
No. It's too difficult. But let's do an aquarium. Just fix it so it doesn't cut into the jacuzzi. I love that
Exactly.
aquarium, by the way.
I love how jacuzzi is inside aquarium.
That would be a great idea, by the way. Nobody's done that.
It would be very cold though. I don't think fish like to swim in
Yeah,
very
yeah.
warm water.
They're two different water temperatures. The aquarium is around the jacuzzi.
I think the horse is too claustrophobic to go on the elevator. I think it needs the parachute. We'll,
I think we're only going
No, I think
walking
you need
once.
to
Get a mini
blindfold
pony
it.
now in the room.
You might
Oh,
want
what
to
about one of
blindfold
those
the
little
horse.
ponies?
Is it
You
gonna
know the
change
little
the
ponies?
location of the aquarium?
Yes, I think so. We're gonna see right now.
I like how also Biela has its own opinion. Now the fish.
Oh no, what happened? All right, let's try again here.
Now the fishes need a white fish.
Oh, what happened?
Okay, what happened? I
Where's
think
my
Biela
aquarium?
thinks it's still. We can add an extension to the aquarium in case Adam gets bored.
We're gonna
I
try
feel like
again.
he's gonna train all the fishes to use Biela there, you know.
No, I'm gonna put advertisements on them.
If Biela was a human, it would have quit on us by now. Biela loves us right now.
Of course.
Biela is like, finally, someone is using
This
the full.
is nice. You see?
No, I don't
Okay,
like
let's-
it. It's too small. I wanted to have a full wall aquarium.
How too small is half of the room.
This is really big. This is like half a ton,
Yes.
isn't it?
Look,
Okay.
it's
But are
You
we
remember
going to
the
be able
dimensions
to
of the
have a
room?
360 rotating view of it? Or am I asking
No.
too much?
It's not
I
a
mean,
3D model, it's
360.
basically a 2D photo. But
Yeah, this is a look
there
from
are
above,
there
basically.
are tools, and I think
But I can still rotate to see all the angles, no, of the image.
You know what you got?
You
What
can
we
ask-
can make with this image? We can ask it to create like a more luxurious
No, wait.
interior design.
We're away from luxuries. What else? Okay, let's start now. Guys, what do you recommend? What else this room is missing? What shall we add there?
it's so empty.
Right?
You said a horse, right? We should add a
Let's
horse.
add the horse.
Let's
Okay,
put a
let's
pony.
the horse.
Not horse. Horse is too big. Let's get a pony.
Should we
Let's-
decorate it in Christmas lights?
Guys,
Listen,
you-
and
no,
I
no,
want
no,
pony to have a
Christmas tree,
hat
Christmas
written
tree.
Juan.
A Christmas
The
tree.
corner.
Okay, Adam said the Christmas. This is Adam's room, so Adam has to have a say here.
It's a Christmas tree.
No, Adam's choices are done here. Aquarium was the last thing he was able to choose. Now it's our
the-
time. Please,
Okay.
I've been
Opposite
waiting
corner.
for it.
So a
In the opposite
pony. You said a
corner.
pony then.
Okay, go to comment sections. We have also there some suggestions. Let's make Gucci branded couch. Can we?
Can we do that?
Yes, I think so. I think
Look,
so.
Adam got interested.
Yes.
Into a Gucci branded. Let's see what he can make with that. I'm very curious about this prompt actually. I don't think I've seen a Gucci branded couch before. Have you guys
No.
I've
seen
never
it?
been to Dubai.
It's
Really?
yeah, it's how you call it. No, it's a custom made for Adam.
Adam, do you have
I think
contacts?
once I
And
have
the
it,
place
everybody
for
will want
Adam's
it.
favorite things, like I don't know,
There we go.
trinkets.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
That looks
Okay,
very
it's
nice,
so
actually.
strange, by the way. It looks so weird.
I think I'm
But
calling
listen-
in the interior decorator. Take pictures of this, and we're gonna talk to Gucci.
Okay, let's go next. What else
I don't
are we
think we-
adding here? Water resistant rug. Let's get a rug. What color of a rug you want, Madalina? Like anything. We're trying our content studio right now.
Yeah, let's put the pony. in the
Let's do
corner.
our pony while we're talking. Let's do the pony.
A pony.
The
Okay.
small little Shetland ponies. You know the little Shetland ones. the
Actually,
mini
don't know.
ponies.
The
And I
mini-
want a pony to have a dress, pink dress.
No.
Why not? Okay, suit, corporate suit. Pony in a corporate suit, yes.
How is he
Yes,
gonna wear
Basically,
that?
you're just gonna mistake him for me.
Oh my god. You guys are crazy. How is he gonna wear that? It's just
Pony in a
pony.
corporate suit, because why not? I
Madalina
mean, the
says
Gucci
baby
sofa is
green.
okay.
Yeah, I think so. Add a.
Okay, we have
cork-
another. How about the side table and the lamp? We have a comment. Okay,
Agreed.
that's another thing. Where would you
We're
like
missing
your
a lamp,
lamp
yes.
to be?
We need a lamp in the corner, maybe. But an interesting lamp.
So first of all, let's add a pony in the
add
corporate
a
suit.
pony.
I'm very
I
curious
want a
about this
pony.
as well. And
I'm a
maybe
little
we could add
concerned
some
about this.
hay. Maybe we could add some hay to it so it doesn't get too hungry while we decide on
So
what to add
we are
next.
creating the pony. Then we will need to do side table, right?
Why
Then-
pony is it's like Can pony
He's
stand
sitting on his
properly?
tail.
This poor
He's
guy.
defying gravity.
Oh, why? But it's
We need a top view of the pony, I think.
Josie's right.
Also, we need
to add
yeah,
Christmas
we need a Christmas tree. True.
Well, yeah.
I have
Christmas.
one behind me right now, but you guys don't see it.
When did you decorate it, Ziba?
What do you mean? Why?
When?
When? November.
Wow, that's so
First.
early. Okay, so we
A
have
lot
a
of my
pony here.
friends told me that I can just keep it there for a year, you know. Okay, can it have a Santa hat and stand next to a tree?
So we need a tree first. Give us a tree.
Okay,
And
so
again,
tree,
top
where
view.
do you want?
We can
Where do you
say it
want
at
the
the same time. Place a tree and place also the pony near to the tree. We don't need to make it step by step.
Fully
Top view.
decorated with gold and red.
Are those your favorite
It has
colors?
to match my Gucci couch.
He takes this room very serious.
I think he's getting inspiration from this.
This room is now going on my dream board.
Especially the pony in a corporate suit. It's like,
And
He can
what
stay
else?
home,
So
stay alone, I'm
the Christmas
alright
tree
with it.
and
maybe you should feed the pony, Adam. We need also food for pony. But let's make it cool. Like let
is-
the listen, let the food for pony look like the shawarma making station.
oh my god.
How do you explain that to Biela?
The same way I
I
explained
think
to
it might
you.
not.
I mean,
What's
Biela
about-
knows Gucci. You think it will not know shawarma?
Apart
What's
from
about,
a decorated
the-
Christmas tree, what else?
He wanted Christmas tree with golden and red decorations.
Okay, and
Gold
what
and red
else?
decorations. And remember,
Yes.
And
it
the
needs to
pony
be
next to
top
it.
view.
I did add that. And Robert,
We
what did
have
you say?
here a comment. Maybe we put a pony making shawarma.
Yeah, we can definitely make that with Content Studio from Biela. All right, let's add the Christmas tree, so we don't wait. a
Did we
while
put
for
it in the
this.
corner?
I already
It's
set
gonna
the
be
prompts.
next to a horse in the center.
Just give me a second so that it places the Christmas tree, and then we can move
And
it.
also we need to rotate the horse. It's like awkwardly standing in the middle of the room.
It's okay. We'll put hay under the
Oh.
tree.
No, Ziva is looking to the fridge. He wants something.
Wow,
Oh,
that's a
that
big
looks
tree.
so cool.
It's kind of blocking the door, but I think that's okay.
Yeah,
put it
if
in the
we would have
corner
moved.
and-
Listen, how about we move that aquarium?
Where do you want it?
You have a pony now. Why you need fishes?
True.
You're gonna
Pony
take
is
away
cooler.
my frame.
Nobody has a pony. You have.
I would like to
Charles?
ask Biela to decorate this room as like in a more luxurious fashion because I've tried that before and it actually surprised me a lot. Can I do that, guys? What do you think?
Just don't move Charles. Leave him where he stands.
Okay.
Is,
Here I
is
have the
Charles
name
the
already.
pony's name?
Carl?
He
Yes,
has
of
a
course
name
Charles is the
already. Now
pony's
he'll
name.
have a separation anxiety when the call is over.
I'm going to get me a pony. What are we doing now?
We're
I'm asking
getting
it
a
to.
luxurious touch.
Yeah.
Make a golden floor.
With a gold floor? I don't think rich people have gold floors in their house. I think they
So
have
what
wood.
were you doing Friday night? Added a pony and jacuzzi to my room. You?
All right, let's edit this image. And if it doesn't work, we can just reverse back to the previous image and we'll go from there again. I wonder what the, I mean, hopefully, maybe the horse can open the fridge and eat a little bit from there. Maybe it's
We'll
getting
put
a
some
bit
hay for him under the tree.
as like a Christmas gift.
I completely agree. Christmas tree in front of the door is not good. Get rid of the aquarium and move the Christmas tree there. Yes.
And there we
Let's
go.
do
Listen, you don't need aquarium. You have a pony in a suit.
Fine.
This looks
If
so
you
much
want,
better.
we can put a fish on top of a pony. It's like a pet for a pony.
And your
Let's not,
couch is
but
now
let's give Charles some hay under the tree.
okay.
Charles. Look
Let's
at the
put
name of the
Charles.
pony, Charles. I feel like when you meet Charles, you need to do like that, you know?
Okay, let's remove the
Yeah, we
aquarium.
get rid. Oh, I like the flooring. Very nice.
so should I
But
keep
what
this
happened to our
current
Gucci sofa? It's
Oh, it's
red
still a
with
Gucci sofa, but it's more
it's cooler.
yeah,
I like it
it's much cooler.
better.
I like this, yeah.
And the jacuzzi makes more sense here, right? It's like
The marble.
Indeed.
Who do we know
yeah.
that likes marble?
Okay,
I
let's
like
get
one.
rid of this aquarium.
Okay, hold on a second.
I swear, otherwise
Yeah.
it looks so weird. It's like we have a different living creatures in the
This is like
water
a
in this
zoo.
room, you know?
It's like a
That's
zoo
what
in the
looks
airport.
weird to you? Charles in a suit doesn't look weird?
So this is Charles' room now. No, it's basically it's a sharing apartment. When Adam is at work, Charles in charge.
He's like the butler of the house.
He's like a butler. Yes, that's gonna be the job of Charles. He's the butler of the house. He opens and greets you and walks you to Adam.
Okay, so
Okay.
do I remove the aquarium?
First, remove the aquarium. Yes.
You see, I swear nobody takes this horse serious. We have a comment here from the user, and then move the pony in other vacant corner at a 45-degree angle. I mean, you do understand the pony is gonna be moving and rotating around the room freely.
Are you putting him in a timeout in the corner like that?
It's like a
He has a
naughty
name.
corner, you know?
We're having too much fun with Content Studio here.
This is so cool.
Okay, so we got rid of the aquarium. I wonder how they
Now put the
took it
tree
out.
in its place.
Okay.
Yes, tree goes
Move the
there.
tree out of the doorway.
In the top right corner.
I feel like it's missing something like crazier than jacuzzi and the pony.
It's not. I like this room. And Charles is beginning to grow on me.
What else you need here?
I think
How
we
about
spent
we add some friends for you in the room?
Can Biela make me friends?
Yes. It can create for you anything you want.
I thought that's what the fridge full of refreshments was for.
Yes, then you need friends. But based on your apartment, style right now, like your friends, they have to be from England, like 19th century, you know?
Who's gonna use the jacuzzi
Lords.
all by yourself? Are you gonna use it all by yourself? You need some
You can
friends for
see
the
it's
jacuzzi.
obviously a 2 or 3 person jacuzzi.
Is here. Cool, Jack Horseman.
I mean, if it's a 2-person, maybe you can add Charles in the jacuzzi to yourself. Who knows?
Wait,
This is our
Charles still
person
awkwardly
jacuzzi.
stands in the middle of the room. We need to relocate Charles.
Relocate Charles. Just bring in a crane from above. Where should we place Charles? Maybe in the other
In
corner?
the other corner of the room with a hay loft. Put him some hay in the corner.
This is exactly how my grandma kept the horse when he was not home. We're bringing some nostalgic memories.
Your grandma kept the horse in the living room?
Grandpa.
Oh, grandpa.
Yeah, but grandma, she was tolerating the behavior, I believe. Okay, so while Charles is moving, what else do we put here? Did you say to add friends?
No,
Let's
we
make
needed someplace to keep the hay.
But I said let's make a hay in a shawarma station. Boy,
Shawarma station.
I mean,
Uh,
it shouldn't be on the floor. It's gonna look messy. I want this hay to
No.
be designed in a very
I wanna-
glamorous way.
I want a karate machine, Ziba.
Maybe a bar?
Next
like
week
a
we
bar
will
right
do
here?
your room, okay?
Yes, give me a bar.
This hay now blocks the door.
Okay.
I don't want the hay like that. I want it in a big marble box. Like a feed box.
Okay.
But obviously made of white marble to match the aesthetic of the room.
Go to comments, we have some fun here. It's like, we need to relocate Charles Camilo on a random Tuesday. True.
Charles goes where I go.
You
We need
sleeping,
more
Charles?
plants in there. Charles will suffocate. Why would he suffocate? He has like a look at that panoramic view in front of him.
He can
So-
open the window.
He cannot open the window. Which floor are you living on?
If I have a Burj Khalifa view, I gotta be at least on the 40th or above.
Okay, so
Still
it
in
is
the
in
doorway though.
Good taste.
Oh, what's it? No, it didn't. Just remove it.
Not in
uh,
front of the door.
Yes, we need to
And we
move
need
from
it
in front of the-
smaller. Charles doesn't eat that much.
It's because he ate all my fish, and if I don't feed him, he's gonna eat my tree.
I have
Okay.
a great idea. Guys, do one thing. I want one side of jacuzzi to have a TV.
You mean like
On
on
the
the
back?
wall or?
Yeah, it can be on the wall. And I want it on.
Okay. So as you guys can see, we can create anything we can envision with Biela using Content Studio here.
I like this. I like this.
Okay. So a TV, you said, right?
Yes, TV on the wall.
A TV on
Something
the
for
wall.
Charles to watch when I'm not home.
How many people want to be Charles right now? Raise your hand. Charles is living a dream.
Let's add one more thing, and then we can take other pictures from the sides and that.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, the last cherry on the pie. What do you guys want to add here? We'll choose the most nonsense item.
No more nonsense.
No, we can remove one the window from the middle and add the chimney.
And at a what?
That's a good. A chimney.
On the 44th floor?
I think it already added a chimney. I think it
Let's say you are not on a 44th floor.
It has
No,
one
but
here.
he
It has
is
a
on a
picture of one on the
44th.
wall.
How
Yeah.
will Santa will come so?
He's right
Santa
here through
on
the picture.
44th floor, he needs to.
right the
But
elevator.
it's a picture of a chimney there.
A mantle, yes, exactly.
I think it
It's
read
already
our
there.
minds.
Biela read your mind, Robert.
Okay, it's perfect.
It's
Okay,
perfect.
how about we do?
Let's have some presents. Let's have some presents here, like some Christmas presents.
Under the tree?
Yeah, like
Yes.
right here or maybe near the tree. I don't know.
Designer presents. Designer presents. To fit the aesthetic of the room.
Please
Designer,
add
like
there.
Louis
Fendi,
Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton,
Chanel,
Gucci,
Hermes, Dior.
Patek, AP, everything, everything.
Okay. Hold on. Louis Vuitton, Gucci.
I mean, he can afford to have a jacuzzi in a living room.
It fits. You see how it fits perfectly.
Okay, there we go.
All right. Now we're cooking.
I really like how this room turned out. It's very
How
nice.
about we add a treadmill for Charles,
Ignoring Charles here, I think the room came out very nice.
right?
Indeed, yeah.
Yes, I like it also.
It looks
And
pretty cozy.
Very, very realistic, right? Oh,
Look at that. All right, no more changes. The room is now closed.
Is this your happy place?
It is. This is why we work with Biela. This is the
So-
goal.
Yep.
Guys, So as you can see, the whole point of this project is to demonstrate you, first of all, that basically all the limits are inside your head. If you are creative enough to add changes to the things you do on a daily basis to your routine, biela can help you to bring it to life. Besides that, as you can see, like for instance, this whole idea by itself, I feel like it's amazing, it's very
How
cool.
you
And
how
the
you are
same way
thinking
as
it? Adam's dream living room house, perfect.
Okay. I think
so
Sorry,
that's
this is
like
it.
my
it took us what, 1 hour to add some changes to biela in order to have like exact measures and stuff, and then design a room. But can you imagine how this whole experience would be beneficial to many users that are looking to buy a property or to rent a property? Those are relocating from different countries to another countries without having a chance to go and actually see the property. How much you can save on the way you do the furniture shopping. It's like it elevates the whole experience. So
Yep.
great idea, and biela as usual, like amazing performance, really.
yes.
Yeah, and this was such a simple project to do. Like it just took a couple of prompts, and here we have a fully working website. Just needs a little bit of polishing, and it's ready to go.
True,
So
What
true.
one of the strengths of biela is it can incorporate things that are unusual, make them very usual. You can see the way it's put the jacuzzi into the room and made it a natural part of the room. So anything you can think of, biela can do it and can even improve on it.
indeed, and if you have an idea right here in your head, you can create it using
Yes,
Biela.
100%.
basically. Yeah.
100%. So guys, basically play with biela, create new things, think out of box, look at the things that you do, the task you're performing daily, and see how you can basically simplify it or like add some more benefits to it, and then jump to biela. It will help you to create. Amazing idea, and I really want to thank all the users that joined us today for the call. You guys made it more interactive, more
Thank you,
engaging, and
everyone.
more fun. And I hope Adam is happy with the outcome of his dream room.
There it is.
All right, so let's wrap it up. Thank you so much for everyone. And that was another live on Friday with us.
Thank you. Thanks,
Thank you
guys.
so
So
Thanks,
much, everyone.
Theo.
bye.
Thanks, biela.
Bye, guys.
Have a happy
See you.
weekend.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Have a good weekend.
Bye bye.